In this video, I'll show you how to view opportunities in Salesforce CRM step by step. To get started, open your browser, navigate to salesforce.com, and make sure you're logged into your Salesforce account. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to your Salesforce dashboard. Next, look at the left side navigation menu and go to the Sales section. From there, click on Opportunities to access all opportunity records available in your account. On the Opportunities page, you'll see a list of all your opportunities along with relevant information, making it easy to review and manage your sales pipeline. Now, click on the opportunity that you want to view. This will open the opportunity record where you can see all the associated details, including important information related to that opportunity. If your account permissions allow it, you can also make changes and edit the opportunity directly from this page. That's it. That's how you can view opportunities in Salesforce CRM.